Did you know there's a tiny spice likely sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now? That could be a game changer for your health, especially if you're over 50. What if I told you this common spice could help fight inflammation, manage blood sugar, and even protect your bones? Potentially better than some conventional methods. Stick around, because today we're uncovering the incredible, science-backed benefits of eating just 2 cloves a day. First, let's talk about what cloves are. These small dried flower buds come from the clove tree, native to Indonesia. For centuries, they've been used not just for their strong aromatic flavor in cooking, but also as a powerful component in traditional medicine. The magic behind cloves lies in a compound called eugenol, which is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. This little compound is the powerhouse responsible for most of the health benefits we're about to explore. Let's start with a common issue many people face as they age: digestion. As we get older, our production of stomach acid can decrease, leading to bloating, gas, and poor nutrient absorption. This is where cloves can be incredibly helpful. Chewing on a clove stimulates the production of saliva and gastric juices, which are essential for breaking down food properly. Think of it as giving your digestive system a natural kickstart. Improved digestion means you're not only more comfortable after meals, but you're also getting more of the vital nutrients from the food you eat. It helps prevent indigestion and can even soothe issues like acidity and stomach ulcers, thanks to its ability to thicken the gastric mucus that protects your stomach lining. Next up, a major concern for many over 50, blood sugar management. The risk of developing type 2 diabetes increases with age. Exciting research suggests that cloves can play a significant role in keeping your blood sugar levels stable. The compounds in cloves seem to mimic insulin in certain ways, helping to shuttle excess sugar out of your blood and into your cells where it can be used for energy. Studies have shown that nigericin, another compound found in cloves, can improve the function of the cells that produce insulin. Regularly consuming cloves could help improve your insulin sensitivity, making it a fantastic addition to a diet aimed at preventing or managing diabetes. Of course, it's not a replacement for medication, but it's a powerful natural ally. As we age, maintaining bone density becomes crucial to prevent fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. You might be surprised to learn that cloves are packed with an essential mineral for bone health: manganese. In fact, just 1 teaspoon of ground cloves provides over 50% of the recommended daily intake of manganese. This mineral is a key player in forming bone and is vital for the enzymes that help build the bone matrix. So, incorporating cloves into your diet is like providing your skeleton with some of the fundamental building blocks it needs to stay strong and resilient. It's a simple, natural way to support your bone health for the long run. Now, let's talk about one of our hardest working organs, the liver. The liver is our body's primary detoxification center, and protecting it is vital for overall health. The high concentration of antioxidants, particularly eugenol in cloves, makes them incredibly beneficial for liver health. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is damage caused by free radicals that can lead to liver disease. Studies, primarily in animals, have shown that eugenol can help reverse signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. By reducing inflammation and oxidative damage, cloves help your liver function optimally, keeping your body's filtration system running smoothly. Beyond these major benefits, cloves are also known for their impressive oral health properties. You might have heard of clove oil being used for toothaches, and that's because of its powerful antibacterial and analgesic or pain. Chewing on a clove can help kill the bacteria that cause bad breath and gum disease, giving you a healthier mouth and fresher breath. Furthermore, their high antioxidant content helps your body fight off infections and reduces systemic inflammation, which is linked to nearly every chronic disease, from heart disease to arthritis. So, how can you easily incorporate these powerful little buds into your daily routine? It's simpler than you think. One of the easiest ways is to just chew 2 whole cloves in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the compounds most effectively. If the taste is too strong for you, you can try making a simple clove tea. Just add a few cloves to a cup of hot water, let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then drink it. You can also add a pinch of ground cloves to your morning oatmeal, smoothies, or even your coffee for a warm aromatic flavor boost. They're also a wonderful addition to soups, stews, and rice dishes. The key is consistency. Now, a quick but important word of caution. While cloves are safe for most people, their potent properties mean they're not for everyone. The compound eugenol can have blood-thinning effects. So, if you are currently taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, or if you have a bleeding disorder, it's very important to talk to your doctor before adding cloves to your daily regimen. Also, in very high doses, clove oil can be toxic to the liver, so it's essential to stick to small, dietary amounts like the 2 cloves a day we've been discussing. Moderation is key. In conclusion, for those of us over 50 looking for simple, natural ways to bolster our health, the humble clove is a true superstar. From aiding digestion and regulating blood sugar to strengthening bones and protecting your liver, the benefits are too significant to ignore. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your long-term wellness. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're interested in learning more about natural remedies and simple tips for a healthier life, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.